Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the chemical property and only two properties, one with reaction with active metals and second one with reaction with bases. And today we are going to discuss about another important method or chemical properties of acid. Reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. Acid react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Here we are writing reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. Okay. When metallic carbonate are treated with acid to form salt, water and liberate carbon dioxide. In case of carbonate and bicarbonate, when acid treated with any metallic carbonate or bicarbonate, always form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so we can write a skeleton, and first of all always we have to understand what is skeleton said. Now let us see. When acids treated with carbonates or bicarbonates to form salts, water and carbon dioxide. Clear? Now we can prepare in easily way. We can react the carbonates with acid and can form salt, water and carbon dioxide. Let us see here. Suppose we have HCl, and HCl when treated with calcium carbonate CaCO3. You know the chemical formula of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, metallic carbonate. Calcium react with chlorine to form calcium chloride. The formula of calcium chloride CaCl2, and water H2O and CO2. Carbonate decompose to liberate one oxygen, and oxygen react with hydrogen to form H2O. Here 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen. To balance the reaction, we have to multiply the acid here HCl by 2. Okay, I think all the reaction is balanced. Clear? Next one is, then this reaction one again HCl treated with bicarbonate CaHCO3 whole twice. Okay, calcium bicarbonate. It is also known as calcium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate. Clear? Now once again form same compound calcium chloride H2O and CO2. Here reaction is balanced. Okay, not balanced, multiplied with 2, and here 2 to 4 hydrogen 2. Okay, and 2 carbon dioxide also right here 2. Okay, this reaction is balanced reaction. 3 to the 6, 2 4 to 6 oxygen. Clear? Okay, next is when H2SO4 react, when HNO3 react with HNO3 react with magnesium carbonate. Once again to form magnesium nitrate, magnesium NO3 whole twice. The formula of magnesium nitrate MgNO3 का whole twice. ठीक है? And the product is H2O and CO2 once again. Okay. Here, to balance the reactions, we have to multiply the HNO3 by 2, and here 2 nitrogen, 3 to the 6 oxygen, and 3 oxygen, 9 oxygen. Here 2 hydrogen, 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 9 oxygen. Okay, reaction is balanced. Once again, when HNO3 treated with magnesium bicarbonate HCO3 whole twice of SCO3. Okay, this is magnesium bicarbonate, and magnesium bicarbonate then react with this compound to form this acid to form once again magnesium nitrate. The formula of magnesium nitrate of magnesium whole twice of NO2 nitrate plus H2O and CO2. Reaction is balanced, not balanced. Here 2 carbonate multiplied with 2 and once again also with 2. Okay? Clear? And 2 to 4 2. Clear? This reaction is balanced reaction. Okay? This is magnesium bicarbonate, this is calcium bicarbonate, this is calcium carbonate, this is magnesium carbonate treated with nitric acid, HCl. Okay? If sodium carbonate Na2CO3 treated with HCl to form sodium chloride NaCl plus H2O and CO2. In every case, you can see here, after reacting with acid and carbonates or bicarbonate, always from salt, water and carbon dioxide. Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Here sodium chloride, so multiplied with 2 and it is 2 twice NaCl, twice H2 and carbon dioxide. This reaction is a balanced reaction. Okay? Very important and very simple reaction. You can see here. Okay, next one is reaction with sulfides. Okay, reaction with sulfide. When metallic sulfide treated with acid to form salt and hydrogen sulfide gas. The odor of hydrogen sulfide gas like rotten eggs. So we can identify the smell of sulfur. Okay. Now see here, reaction with sulfide. Reaction with sulfide. Okay. Now when any sulfide like zinc sulfide treated with HCl to form zinc chloride ZnCl2 and H2S hydrogen sulfide gas. Okay, to balance this reaction multiply HCl by 2. Okay, next one is iron sulfide also treated with H2SO4 FeS treated with iron sulfide treated with H2SO4. Once again it forms ferrous sulfate FeSO4 ferrous sulfate and H2S. This reaction is balanced reaction. Okay, you can see the reaction. Okay, next one is when lead sulfide PbS treated with HCl. Once again it forms PbCl2 and H2S multiplied with 2. Okay, so in next reaction, action with sulfide and bisulfide. Reaction with sulfide and bisulfide. Reaction with sulfide. Here sulfide, here sulfide, and bisulfite. Okay, sulfide and bisulfite. When metallic sulfide or bisulfite treated with acid to form salt, water and liberate sulfur dioxide gas. See here. Sulfide or bisulfite. Bisulfite when treated with acid always form salt, water and liberate sulfur dioxide gas. This is the skeleton of this statement. Okay, we can understand easily by this skeleton what happened when sulfide or bisulfide treated with acid. Always kept in mind formation of salt, water and sulfur dioxide are take place. See here, sulfide, we are saying about the sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide, calcium sulfide, etc. Here we are writing a sulfide like calcium sulfide CaSO3. This is sulfide. And CaSO4, this is sulfate, calcium sulfate, and it is sulfide, sulfide TE, sulfide, and calcium sulfide CaS, calcium sulfide. This is known as sulfide. That is the difference of sulfide, sulfide, and sulfate. Sulfate. Clear? Now we are going to write here the reaction with sulfide and bisulfide here when calcium sulfide treated with any acid like HCl, H2SO4, etc. to form salt, calcium chloride. Once again it forms CaCl2 plus H2O and SO2. Now balance this reaction and you are watching here, multiplied by 2. Okay, calcium sulfide, sodium sulfide, Na2SO3. This is the sodium sulfide, and when it treated with H2SO4, what happened? Right reaction. Potassium bisulfide KHSO3. This is potassium bisulfide. When react with HCl, what happened? Right the reaction. Magnesium sulfide MgSO3 when react with H2SO4. Once again write the reaction. This is the reaction. Now one by one we are doing here. Sodium sulfide when treated with H2SO4 form sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Okay, Na2SO4 and H2O and liberate sulfur dioxide. Clear? Next one is potassium bisulfide. Can take also sodium bisulfide, calcium bisulfide, but here I am taking the different kinds of, you can remember lots of reaction after following this reaction. Okay, these reactions. Potassium bisulfide when treated with HCl to form potassium chloride KCl plus H2O and sulfur dioxide in all cases. Okay, now here this reaction is balanced reaction. I think this is also balanced reactions, no doubt. Here magnesium sulfide when treated with H2SO4 will form magnesium sulfate MgSO4 and H2O, here hydrogen from here and one oxygen from here to form H2O, and one sulfur dioxide molecule remain here and liberate in the form of gaseous state. So in all cases you are saying that when acid treated with sulfide or bisulfide always forms salt, these are the salt and water and sulfur dioxide. In every case you are watching that sulfur dioxide are releasing. Okay, so next reaction action with chloride or reaction with chloride. Reaction with chloride. Reaction with chloride. Okay. Now, when sodium chloride or potassium chloride treated with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate and liberate hydrogen chloride, the reaction takes place in two steps here. Sodium chloride, when treated with H2SO4, H2SO4 is always taken in concentrated form, conc step. Okay, when treated, first step it forms sodium bisulfate, NaHSO4 and plus HCl. Okay, NS sodium bisulfate formed in this step once again react with NaCl to form sodium sulfate. NaHSO4 again react with NaCl to form Na2SO4 plus HCl. Okay, the complete reaction is, you can write here, cancel the sodium bisulfate from here and nothing. Okay, now the complete reaction is 1 NaCl, 2 NaCl from this side, twice NaCl in this side plus H2SO4 gives out Na2SO4 plus twice HCl. This is the balanced reactions. Okay, very simple and balanced reaction. Okay, now next and last reaction of this properties, chemical properties of acid. Here, action with nitrates. Action with nitrates. Okay, action with nitrates. In this reaction, the sodium or potassium nitrate treated with H2SO4 to form high volatile acid. High volatile acid, H2SO4 is less volatile acid and it forms high volatile acid like HNO3. See here reaction, when potassium nitrate or nitrate, hydrogen nitrate, potassium nitrate treated with H2SO4, it forms first step potassium bisulfate, HNO3. The potassium bisulfate found in this reaction again react with second molecule of potassium nitrate to form potassium sulfate. Potassium hydrogen sulfate react with another molecule of potassium nitrate to form potassium sulfate and HNO3 as a byproduct, or you can say major product, no problem here. And cancel the reaction which is common in both sides. You are watching here potassium bisulfate in this side and potassium bisulfate in this side. Cancel both the both sides of potassium bisulfate. Here I think everything not is common in both sides. So here two molecule of potassium nitrate and one molecule here H2SO4 when treated with to form K2SO4 and twice HNO3. Okay, this is the reactions. So dear student, we have completed the properties of acid. Okay, now revise all the reaction, and if you have any confusing in any topic, you can write the comments on YouTube channel. Go to YouTube channel. If you are getting the all discussions we are doing here, you can thumbs up on the comments box. And if you have any problem, you can share your problem with writing comments on the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, all the best.